Caitlin and welcome to day one of Vlogmas. It's day one of Vlogmas. I have makeup on, my hair is done, and we are being so productive today. So far, I have filmed Jim helped me. I filmed a holiday lookbook, which will be up in a couple of days. And I didn't show you that because literally the behind the scenes would have been me changing clothes, or it would have been the whole video. So I figured you guys can just wait to see that. Right now, I am looking through the footage to make sure that it looks okay, and as long as it does, then Jimmo and I are headed to Target for the first Target run of Vlogmas, and I'm so pumped. If you don't know what Vlogmas is, I have other playlist that you can watch last year's Vlogmas and the year before. I don't really know how I'm going to do it this year, if I'm just going to try for every day or if I'm just going to do a couple of days at a time. But we're going to take it day by day. Today is definitely going to be a full day because it's the first day. It's a Sunday. I don't work today. And I'm clearly really excited. So, day one of Vlogmas. I'll be vlogging something every day up until Christmas. And I'll be sharing it with you guys. So, it's just a whole month of vlogs. And it's going to be super fun. So, I'm going to check the footage on my video that I filmed, and if it is good, then I will check back in with you guys and we will head to Target, and we're very excited. Also, look how cute this sweatshirt is. It's from Elitaire. It's the brand Able, and I'm very obsessed with it. I don't know, I just really love it. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. While my video is uploading to Final Cut, I figured I would give you a little behind the scenes of what a lookbook video looks like. So I film in my closet, and this rack right here is all the clothes along with this because it was too long to be on the rack. So I put all the clothes there, and then I put some of the accessories there so that they're easy to grab. And then this is what the living room looks like when we film. There are shoes everywhere, so this is what it looks like. Normally when we start, they're all lined up over here and they all look pretty, but I just finished, so they don't. Then we have a bag that I used, another bag, some more shoes, some accessories. And that's what it looks like. And now we are trying to upload, but this computer is on its strong struggle bus, so it's taking a really long time. We got the video done on the first try. We still have to take some photos for the bad lighting, photos for the thumbnail, but we're gonna do that.
How hard for you to say that? I don't understand.
I don't know. But so now we're headed to Target and we're getting some pantry organizational things, and I'm pretty pumped about it. Jimmo's even excited, right?
You think I'm excited about organizing a pantry?
You like to be organized.
Yes, as I stated, there is over-organization as well. I like to organize for efficiency, not for the sake of being organized.
You literally just asked for 3 more containers for the dog treats.
I didn't ask for them. I asked if they made some because they might be useful. And yeah, now I'm gonna be OCD about it. I'm not pleased about that. I was fine with it before, but now I don't want it mixed.
Oh, okay. I guess that makes sense. So we're headed to Target and we're gonna get organizational things. I'm so excited. Great way to start Vlogmas with bad lighting in Target. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. Okay, we just got back from Target and I'm going to show you all the things that we got because we got several things. So we got, let's see if I can pick this up. We got these things for the fridge. We're gonna put them in the fridge. A container for eggs. Another little clear container for the fridge to keep it all organized. And then Jimmo got a razor blade. And we got this to put, it's like a little, I think you can kind of see it, to put a dish towel on. Like on our little cabinet. So we're gonna do that. Then I got this for the pantry. It's a little like, what's called a, it says turntable, but it's like a Lazy Susan. It just like spins. I got some shaving cream. And then we got another set of these. We already had one, but we got another one for more things. I love this thing so much. I love them. And then we got these ones as well because Jimmo wanted those for dog treats. So I'm going to put all of these things away and I'll show you guys.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it is?
It has been a minute since I talked to you guys because my camera battery was kind of dying, so I figured it was a good point to plug it up and charge it all the way. So that is what I did. And then I kind of kept doing like pantry stuff. It's almost finished. It's almost finished. We need to go to Target again to get 3 more things and then it will be done. And I'm so excited. I will go ahead and show you the fridge in a second though. But I feel like I've been doing organizing for like the past several hours and it's messier than it was prior to organizing. Like, literally look at this. This is a pile of like keepsake stuff that I had in a drawer in Jimmo's closet, and because I moved stuff from the pantry into his closet, I needed to have more space, so I needed to clear out that drawer. So now it's here, and now I need to decide what I'm gonna do with it, and am I gonna keep it or throw it away? So it's a little bit messy right there, but, and we also have a huge pile in our bedroom that's like donate pile, because that's always happens. Like every couple of months I end up making a pile of stuff that ends up being like a donate pile. So that's kind of messy looking. So I've done some organizing and the pantry looks great, but everything else, it's a little questionable. But I will go ahead and show you the fridge, and then when we get back from Target I will show you the pantry completed because I'm so pumped about it. Okay, here is what the fridge turned out like. These are the 2 things that I got to like organize, and then I'm gonna put little labels on the like fronts of them that look really cute. And then we have the egg container, and then this other little container, which Jimmo has these little breakfast things that I think will fit in there, so I'm gonna put those in there when he buys more. This is our like leftover section. All of our HelloFresh is gonna go there, and then meats are gonna go there, and then you have veggies and fruits in the bottom, and then condiments and drinks. So I think it turned out pretty good. Oh look, it's puppies. Hey puppies. Hey, hey. You're so cute. Yeah. So that is all for the time being. Jimmo and I are going to head to Target and then grab some dinner. And then when we get back, I will show you the finished pantry, and I'm just so happy about it. Like, so excited. I feel like this looks very Stranger Things-esque, this sky. Kind of cool though. Okay, so this is the pantry. This, we have this little turn thing. This is from Target, and this has like baking stuff on it. Then we have like boxed macaroni and cheese. This is like an extra thing. Cans, spices. This little stand is from Target, and then the these containers are from the Container Store, and then they all have little labels on them and of what they are. And then over here we have like peanut butter, honey, almond butter, white wine vinegar, you know, just normal things. And then this section is all, these are like the OXO like pop containers, so they just like pop open, and I absolutely love them. We have our cereals over here. They're so spread out because they're actually too tall for over here, so they're spread out so that they fit. And then we have like all the stuff. This little section is my like energy ball section, so these are the things I use for that. And then you have like flour, sugar, Bisquick, things to cook, and then there's rice back there. And then we have snacks that are like kind of pre-packaged a little bit, or like they have like a resealable top. And then we have these with the what are these?
Chip clips?
Yes, chip clips. And this one, this is all like extra stuff, so some of the spices, there was too much, so instead of putting them up there, I put them here. Same with like the flour and the oats and stuff. Then these are our like aluminum foil, wax paper, Ziploc bags that we will not be purchasing again. We're just going to use them until they're gone. Then we have like the Swiffer stuff, and then in here is our trash bags for our new trash can. And then we have paper towels. Then the dog treats. So these are their little, these are actually cat treats for dog that we're using for the dogs. Then their dinner sticks and their milk bones. They did not all fit in here, so they're in here. And then this is just like extra dog stuff, dog food. And that is what the pantry looks like, and it's so perfect. It's so perfect. I'll probably do something different with that like later, but for now it's perfect and I love it and I'm so excited about it. And there's that. Now I'm going to show you my I have 2 Advent things, so I'm going to do those now. Yeah, it's in my purse. This is my Advent that Emma gave me. Let's see if it'll focus. This is what it looks like. And I should just be able to, I need scissors.
Supposed to be making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh.
Day 1 of our little thing, and then say hello to Santa. I love Cadbury. It says it's the Christmas countdown. There's nothing better than Cadbury dairy milk. America really needs to get with it, because this is my favorite thing that's ever existed. But that is all for now. I think I might do a little bit of organizing, and then I might end the vlog for the day. But today was December 1st, and it was the first day of Vlogmas, and we were actually pretty productive for the day, I would say. Did a lot of fun things, like organize the pantry. But yeah, so I'm gonna organize that pile of stuff that I showed you earlier and see if I can make that look better and find it a home. And then I might do a face mask, because this ain't pretty at all. So let's go organize.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, carols that you love. We'll be singing.
Okay, I have a face mask on because I just washed my face, and I figured it would be a fun little pamper thing to do tonight. And I wore makeup all day, so I feel like it's just necessary. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here because the only thing I'm going to do the rest of the night is sit on the couch and probably either edit this video and or edit the video that I filmed earlier today so that it can be up maybe on Tuesday-ish. So I hope you all enjoyed day one of Vlogmas, and be sure to subscribe, comment, like, all the things, and stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas. I'll see you next time. Bye!